guys, how are you? Ooh. So today I got a package. Yeah, and I decided to record myself. Oh, I got a gift, maybe. Oh. Anyway, this is like put it far further. I got Daybetter. Oh, my ring light reflects, but you know, Daybetter lights. Because I want to put more lights in my room. Yes. So we'll see how this goes. Let me open it up. Let's see. We're gonna open this up and then I'm gonna install them. I'm gonna read instructions first because I read instructions. So we got the plug thing, the other plug thing. Oh, and then I guess this is like the sensor. One, two, half of my room, you know? And the control. Oh. Give me a minute while I read the instructions and then I'm gonna film myself installing them. Basically it says connect the 4-pin connector. So this little, where is it? This little 4 connectors right here. Wow, my nails though. Go into one of these. So make sure that there's like arrows. So I don't know if you can see. There's like an arrow, so like connect the 2 arrows together, and then after that, what is it? That connects to this. And then, where is it? Did I lost it already? And then after that, connect this. And then test it out. So we shall see. I'm gonna make sure that they work first. Oh, like I'm really hoping this works because the thing doesn't have an arrow. So let's see. We're about to find out. And then I'm trying to make sure this works. I don't know. Oh, beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. So I turn it off. Oh, okay. And then let's make sure. So the back part is where the arrow is. What is? Let me make sure that this works also. So I want to make sure that this works. Yeah. Turn it off. Okay. I'm sweating. So they both work, which is great. So I'm just gonna start putting them up.